Standard 9, Subject English, Poem 2.1, Invictus. This poem is written by William Ernest Henley, who was born on 23rd August 1849 in England. This poet suffered tubercular infection and that resulted to amputation of his leg below the knee. This poem is a very powerful poem, and you know that life is full of struggles, so one has to face severe hardships. As we know that we say that survival is the fittest, so we should know how to go ahead with our life and always to be positive. So I just start with this poem. I just read few lines and then I give the explanation. Out of the night that covers me, black as a pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. Now, in this poet, it is said that troubles and pains around him were just like dark night, but he is thankful to God that he can conquer all these difficulties with a positive approach, because you know the word invictus means unconquerable. So no matter you have got unfavorable circumstances, but still you should know how to control your misfortunes, your bad fate. So this poetry is also gives us lot of courage and to live our life in the worthwhile way. So I just see the second stanza. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bulgongings of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Now here the poet tells us that life is full of tensions and tears, stress. This poet felt that his life is just hanging over his head like a death, but still he is not afraid. He is fearless because he knows how to struggle with future sufferings. Now I tell you the third stanza. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms death, the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years shall find me unafraid. Now here the poet says, no matter the life is very, very difficult, but still anger, sadness in which we live, and the hardness, the hardships of our souls, it's like a threat, but still we are not going to be frightened. We have to make a move. We have to know that the life is always existing. We have to get ahead with our life and to make it very strong one with determination and confidence, which is also very important. So I go with the last stanza. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the master of my soul, captain of my soul. So this poem, he says that death is maybe just like a scroll of punishments. But he is not afraid. How narrow the gate may be, how the punishment may be, he never bothers about it. So he says that what is important is the positive outlook is more important, because you are the master of your fate, you are the master of your soul, and it is you who are going to control your life. So it's said that our future is determined by our actions, maybe his actions, her actions, but it's all up to how we live our life in a best way. Thank you.